What's good, friends and family? So we finally here, Adventures with Flip. This first video is gonna be Paradise Island. Me and a few friends went out to Punta Rucia. That's about a 2-hour drive from Sosua. Then we get to Punta Rucia and we take a 20-minute boat ride, kind of like to the middle of nowhere. And it's a small island. Just a small island, drinks, people hanging out in the water, some scuba diving. And once we leave there, we head to the mangroves. And I'll put a link in the bottom of the description about the mangroves to give you more an idea. The captain of the boat told us, explained to us, but I didn't have time to do subtitles to explain everything. So I'll put a link in the description and you guys can look up what the mangroves are, how it protects the ecosystem and so on. Beautiful ride, amazing boat ride. I got everything with the GoPro, real good footage. Then when we were done, went down the road to Playa Ensenada, which is one of my favorite beaches in this country. It's surrounded by mountains. It's beautiful, ice clear water. You know, nice blue clear water. Hung out there, got some food. So this video is going to be a little different. Not a lot of talking. It's just going to be nice footage, some music, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna take you guys on a lot of adventures to see the beauty of the Dominican Republic. And some of these places I've never been to. I've never been to Paradise Island. So that was my first time, so we're experiencing this adventure together. I've been to Playa Ensenada many times. As I said, it's one of my favorite beaches. It's just out the way, so it's a little journey, but it's beautiful. So like I said, it was a 2-hour drive to Punta Rucia. I got some footage of the drive. 20-minute ride to Paradise Island, footage of that. Hanging out in Paradise Island. Then I believe it was another 15, 20 minutes in the mangroves. And then we went to Playa Ensenada. Nice small clips. I really hope you enjoy this video and I have many more adventures to come. All right, so you guys enjoy. Mr. Flip Flop, I'm out. Now it is. It wasn't before. Playa Ensenada, Villa Isabella. Beautiful out here. Clear water. Can we enter inside? Villa Nadine. Villa Nadine.
Will.
Gotta ask for Francisca. Hola. Hola.
Hola. ¿Verano para Francesca?
Sí, yo soy Francesca.
Soy Philip.
Ok.
Gracias.
¿Esos son los amigos de Eric?
Sí.
¿Que van a la isla?
Sí. It's our transport to Paradise Island. We're gonna take the little boat, go to the island. We are here. Beautiful waves. Y'all gonna get in this boat or what?
No.
That's our transport to Paradise Island.
AB on the track, yeah.
family. Tour is done. Paradise Island. Now we're going to Playa, Ensenada. See what's going on over there.
Hey,
Beautiful beach.
radio voice, hold on.
I got a face only a mother can love. I don't know.
I ain't say nothing.